Running a corporation might feel like the toughest job in the world. Running a corporation smoothly and safely, well, this sounds already like a ridiculously way harder job than the previous one. And running the corporation safely and smoothly while improving the revenues, growing the corporation and growing the profits, well, it seems you are hired to do a mission impossible over there. But you aren't. People like Elon Musk and Richard Branson's figured it out. They figured it out how you can turn your corporations into an ever-improving, magnificent clockworks. What is the biggest difference that corporations and businesses have? Well, it's the number of employees. Today you might look at your employees as a liability. They are there to perform some functions and they turn up on your liability sheet and they are probably the biggest cost over there. But what if you could take the very same people and turn the liability into an asset that would be improving your corporation every day and make it so much better, and to do it without increasing the budget on the liability sheet? That would be worth doing, isn't it? So it hasn't been so easy ever, because now we have time books which are really engaging for the people themselves to learn by themselves. You don't even have to motivate them to do it with salaries or anything. They want to do it because it improves not only their professional life but also their private life. So they would be learning every day from people like Elon Musk and Richard Branson's on how to become better, and from scientists about psychology, about marketing, about improving, optimizing costs, improving the products, and delivering the message that the customer needs to hear. So they will learn all of this, and they will learn also how to be more focused, how to become more clear-minded, how to be emotionally, mentally well, how to become healthier so they wouldn't have sick days. There is so much to learn from brilliant minds, and you can benefit out of it. And it's probably the cheapest way to do it. But to make it happen even quicker and faster, we have come up with two different options. And one of them is to get the change psychologist to help your HR team to figure out how to get zero resistance on implementing time books, and a business consultant to help your management team to figure out how to do it in an economically and financially most sound way, to really get the people inspired. And the other option is to do time book workshops where we will go through how to use different tools inside. We can do it also on a topic that to improve marketing or to improve teamwork. So just click on the buttons below, fill in the forms, and you will get so much more information about both of these, and we will get back to you, and you will get so much value out of filling in the forms. So even if you don't want to hire us in the end, which is highly unlikely because you will get so much value out of it, you will avoid the risk of trial error method going wrong, and there is so much value we could give you, we want to give you, and we will do it also already then when we are presenting you the offer. So just fill in the forms below and get your team really perform on a peak performance levels with great focus, and don't pay for Facebook scrollers, pay for real value. Have a great day, and take care.